Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen where we make mouth-watering delicacy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I use tortilla wrap to make meat pie, but I will be using chicken instead of meat. So I will call this chicken pie. If today is the first time of coming across this video, you're welcome. And if today is the first time of coming across this channel, you are also welcome. With no further ado, let's jump right into the video. For the list of ingredients, I will be using bell pepper, which is optional. I will be using cornstarch. I have potato and carrot. I have iceberg salad. I have onions. And thereafter, I'll be using some minced chicken instead of meat. In a clean pan, I will add some olive oil and then add the minced chicken. You can substitute it for meat. I decided to cook the minced chicken separately to have its own flavor. This is totally optional. If you have watched up to this moment, thank you so much for watching. Please go ahead to subscribe. Now I'll be adding oregano spice, which is optional. I'll also be adding some black pepper as well, which is optional. You'll be wondering why I did not add salt into it, but I'll be adding salt later on. So I went ahead to cook this for 2 to 5 minutes, and then after 5 minutes everything turned pale, and now I'll go ahead to take this off the gas cooker. In another clean pot, I'll go ahead to add olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. After adding the oil, I'll allow this to hot for some minutes, and thereafter I'll go ahead to add the diced onions. Guys, if you have watched up to this moment, thank you so much for watching. Please go ahead to subscribe and go ahead to click the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to receive any notification whenever I upload a new video. Now I'll be adding some garlic and ginger paste. This is also optional. Then I'll go ahead to stir this up. After cooking for some minutes, the next ingredient I'll be adding is the carrot because it's a little bit hard. Then I'll go ahead to stir this up again. As I was saying before, guys, please go ahead to subscribe, share, and like. Give this video a thumbs up. Now I'll be adding the potato, and then I'll go ahead to stir this up again. Guys, please come through for me by subscribing. Now I'll be adding the fresh bell pepper. This is optional, and I will add curry powder. I will add paprika powder as well. Then I'll add more black pepper. I'll also add more oregano spice. All these are optional. If you don't have any of these, you can still go ahead to make your meat pie or chicken pie filling. And then I will stir everything up to marry together. After that, the next thing I'll be doing is to add a little water just to cook it. That's water. And thereafter, I will cover this to cook for 2 to 5 minutes on a low medium heat. And thereafter, I will open up the pan. After 5 minutes, I'll go ahead to stir this up, and then I will be adding the next ingredient, which is going to be our minced cooked chicken. As I said before, you can use meat instead of chicken, but I just decided to use chicken for this recipe. Now I will give everything a good stir. If you are watched up to this moment, guys, please go ahead to subscribe. Come through for me by subscribing. Give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube will take it to another level. I added salt and maggi at this point. As I was saying, please give this video a thumbs up so that this video can go viral. Please help me and subscribe. Thank you so much. So I went ahead to stir everything up after adding the salt and the maggi, and I will yet cover this up to cook again for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'll open up the pan. Now I'll be adding the iceberg salad. This is so optional. Okay, you can substitute this for any salad. Then I went straight ahead to add the cornstarch. Then I'll give everything a good stir. And after stirring, I went ahead to cook this again for another few minutes. And after few minutes, this is what we have. Our meat pie filling is ready. And I will go ahead to set this aside so that it can cool down for later use. And please don't forget to subscribe. Now, this is the tortilla wrap I'm going to be using for the meat pie or chicken pie. I'll take one of the tortilla wrap. I'll go ahead to make a hole inside. I'll be using the meat pie cutter. In another bowl that you are seeing there, that's an egg. I went ahead to whisk it, which I'll be using to seal up the edges of the tortilla wrap. So guys, if you have watched up to this moment, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also leave a comment in the comment section. Please guys, come through for me by subscribing so that YouTube can push this video. Okay, thank you so much. So what part of the video do you like? If you have watched this and you are enjoying it, thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe. So after cutting the tortilla wrap, I'll just go ahead to place it on the meat pie cutter, and then I'll go ahead to add some of those fillings, and then I'll go ahead as well to use the egg to seal up the edges, and thereafter I'll go ahead to cover this up. Guys, will you be trying this recipe? Well, for me, it was so delicious. I didn't even expect that it will turn out to be like this. It's just like the normal dough that you use for your meat pie. Can you see that? Can you see how beautiful it is? So guys, I'll go ahead to do the other one as well. So as I was saying, it's just like the normal dough. If I don't tell you that I did not use dough for this, you won't believe. So guys, go ahead to give this a try. In case you don't have meat pie shape cutter, you can use any one clean bowl. Now I'll be using this stainless ring mold to cut out the tortilla wrap, and thereafter I'll go ahead to fill the tortilla wrap dough with the cooked filling, and then use the egg to seal up the edges, and then use the other round surface to cover it up, and then use the fork to seal it up properly. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. After that, this is what we have. The next thing is to place all those tortilla wrap filling into my baking pan. I just went ahead to cut some parchment paper and place it on the baking pan. And now I'll go ahead to use my brush to rub the egg on the chicken pie to give it brown or golden color after I might have baked it. So guys, thank you for watching so far. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. The next thing I'll be doing now is to go ahead to use my fork to just put some hole on top of the chicken pie, just like the normal meat pie that we use dough to do. So I bake this for 180 degrees for 10 to 20 minutes. Guys, this is what we have. If I tell you that this is not a proper meat pie, or I did not use meat pie dough to make this meat pie, you will not believe. Guys, I hope you will try this out. And this was so delicious and it was so yummy. Go ahead to try this out, and if you do, please let me know. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.